In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on Discord. Then I'll show you how you can add it to Discord so you can switch through accounts quickly. So as you can see, I'm currently logged in to my main account. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a new account. To do that, what I would recommend you do is open a web browser. And once you've got it open, you can go ahead and create a new incognito window. And from here, we can search for Discord. Once you've searched for Discord, you can then click on the main Discord website, which will be discord.com. From here, we can go ahead and create a new account. So if we go to login in the top right-hand corner, it will then prompt us to log in, but we can go ahead and create a new account by clicking on register. Here we can enter in our email, display name, username, password, and date of birth, and then click create account. Once you've done that, you can then pass the security window here, and it will then take you into Discord on the web app. Now, what I would recommend you do is resend the verification email and go ahead and verify it using the email that you used. Now, what you can do is you can take your username in the bottom left-hand corner that you signed up using, and you can go ahead and connect it to your main Discord app. So if you open up Discord, you can then go to your name in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you can go switch accounts, manage accounts. Then you can click add account and you can go ahead and sign in with your new Discord account with the email and password. And there you go, just like that, we've switched to our new Discord account and we can go ahead and switch through both of these here. So we've got two accounts, we can go ahead and switch through any of them. That's how to do it. I hope that helped.